Imagine stepping onto an alien planet. Bizarre creatures with glowing bodies, translucent skin, and unimaginable abilities surround you. But guess what? You don't need to travel across the galaxy to witness these otherworldly beings. Right here on Earth, nature has created creatures so strange, so jaw-droppingly unique, they could be straight out of a sci-fi movie. Stick around as we reveal some of the weirdest and most mind-blowing animals you won't believe actually exist. 1. The Barreleye fish, the deep-sea alien. Let's start with a creature that will completely mess with your perception of reality. The Barreleye fish Macropina. This deep-sea oddity has a transparent head, allowing you to see its brain and rotating tubular eyes inside. Scientists recently discovered that these eyes can look straight ahead or rotate upwards through the dome-like skull to detect prey in the pitch-black depths of the ocean. A 2022 study from the Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute confirmed that this fish uses its tubular vision to track bioluminescent organisms, making it a true deep-sea alien. 2. The Glaucus Atlanticus, the blue dragon. Meet the Glaucus Atlanticus, a tiny yet stunningly surreal sea slug that looks more like a mystical dragon than a real-life animal. This electric blue creature floats on the ocean's surface, upside down, using the tension of the water to stay afloat. But what makes it truly extraterrestrial is its ability to steal venom from jellyfish, like the deadly Portuguese man-o'-war, and use it as its own defense mechanism. A 2023 study published in Marine Biology revealed that the blue dragon has evolved a specialized immune system that allows it to harness and amplify venom without being harmed. Talk about a real-life superpower. 3. The Leafy Sea Dragon, the living camouflage. Straight out of a fantasy world, the Leafy Sea Dragon Phycodurus aqueus is an astonishingly camouflaged marine creature that resembles floating seaweed. Found off the coasts of Australia, it moves so gracefully that it appears more like an enchanted plant than a fish. Researchers at the University of Adelaide in 2024 uncovered that these creatures use micro-movements to mimic the swaying of seaweed, making them nearly invisible to predators. Their survival strategy is a masterclass in nature's illusionary skills. For the axolotl, the eternal juvenile. Imagine if humans could stay young forever. That's exactly what the Axolotl ambystoma mexicanum does. This adorable amphibian never undergoes full metamorphosis, retaining its larval features for life. But what makes it truly out of this world is its mind-blowing ability to regenerate entire limbs, spinal cords, and even parts of its heart and brain. Scientists at Harvard University recently found new genes responsible for this extreme regeneration, sparking hope for future medical breakthroughs in human tissue repair. 5. The pink See-Through Fantasia, the ghostly sea cucumber. Sounds like a fairy tale creature, right? The pink See-Through Fantasia is a deep-sea sea cucumber that glows in eerie neon pink and is entirely transparent, revealing its internal organs. It was first discovered in 2007, but a new 2023 deep-sea expedition near the Pacific's Mariana Trench recorded this elusive creature moving in a unique undulating motion that had never been observed before. It hovers over the ocean floor, almost floating like an ethereal jellyfish. 6. The Goblin Shark, the nightmare predator. If you thought sharks were scary, wait until you meet the Goblin Shark Mitsukarina ostoni. With its long protruding snout and extendable slingshot-like jaws, this deep-sea predator looks like it swam straight out of a horror film. It can launch its jaw forward to snatch prey in milliseconds, a feature so alien that marine biologists in a 2022 study used high-speed cameras to capture and analyze this movement for the first time. They found that the goblin shark's jaw is connected to elastic tendons, allowing it to fire forward like a harpoon, making it one of the most unique hunters in the ocean. 7. The Yeti crab, the furry deep-sea creature. What do you get when you mix a crab with a fuzzy alien? The Yeti crab Kua hirsuta. This bizarre crustacean, discovered near hydrothermal vents, has thick, furry pincers covered in bacteria. But here's the twist: it actually farms and eats the bacteria from its own claws. Researchers in a recent 2024 study found that these bacteria are specially adapted to extract energy from the toxic chemicals emitted by hydrothermal vents, proving that life can thrive in the most extreme environments. 8. The glass frog, the invisible amphibian. The glass frog Centralinidae looks like it's made of glass. With translucent skin revealing its beating heart and internal organs, this tiny rainforest dweller is truly one of nature's most surreal masterpieces. Scientists studying this species in 2023 found that it has an extraordinary ability to increase transparency while resting by hiding its red blood cells inside its liver, effectively becoming invisible to predators. 9. The vampire squid, the deep sea phantom. The vampire squid, Vampire toothis infernalis, sounds terrifying, but it's actually a gentle, mysterious creature of the deep. With its glowing blue eyes, webbed arms, and bioluminescent body, it looks like something from another dimension. Unlike regular squids, it doesn't shoot ink instead. It releases a cloud of glowing mucus to confuse predators. A study in 2023 confirmed that it can survive with minimal oxygen, making it one of the most resilient creatures in the deep ocean. 10. The sarcastic fringhead, the ultimate show-off. This tiny fish might look ordinary at first, but when it gets aggressive, its mouth expands into an enormous fan-like structure that looks like something out of a sci-fi horror movie. It uses this dramatic display to intimidate rivals and defend its territory. Marine biologists recently studied its jaw mechanics and found that its rapid expansion speed and structure resemble the opening mechanism of trapdoor spiders. It's one of the most unusual and exaggerated defense mechanisms in the animal kingdom. Want to see more of these alien-like creatures in real life? Check out deep-sea live streams from marine research institutes, or visit bioluminescent beaches where glowing organisms light up the waves. It's the closest thing to visiting another planet without leaving Earth. So, which of these bizarre creatures blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey into the weirdest corners of nature, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, stay curious.